friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module we are going to discuss our 11th and 12th questions. What is 11th question? So how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many numbers are there? What is the nth term? What is the first term? What number, 3-digit number which will be divisible by 7? So first 3-digit number means minimum. What is the minimum 3-digit number? That is lowest 3-digit number is 100. 100 is divisible by 7? No. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. So these are the 3-digit numbers. So let's going to take 11th one. Answer. So 3-digit numbers are 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106 and so on up to 994, 995, 996, 997, 998 and 999. So these are the 3-digit numbers. So we have to select which number will be divisible by 7 at starting one, first one. So they're asking how many numbers are like that, 3-digit numbers. So first one, 101 is not divisible. Why? Because 7 it will become 31. So 102 also not divisible. If you have any doubts, you can divide. So it will start with 105. 105. So 105, how it will divisible means, so 7 ones are 7 5s are. So 15 7s are. Then if you add 7 to 8, 105 plus 7, we will get this as 112. So we will get here 7 ones are again 4, 42 6 are. So 16 7s are. So this is the value. So if you add 112, again if you add 112 plus 7, so we will get it as 119. So 119. So this is the way, progressing way. So 105, 111, 119 and so on. So what is the series here? So 999 will go. No, it's not possible. This is also not possible. And we are going to check 995. So 7 ones are again. So 7 ones are 7, 29. 4s are, then 15 is not possible. Then 994. So 7 ones are 7, 29, 48 again. So 1, 7 2s are. So yes, it is divisible by 994. So this is the last one. So what is the nth term? So we have to find, so 105, 111, 119, it will go like that. So we have to find what is the common difference. So we know that is common difference is a2 minus a1, that is 111 minus 105, we will get it as 7. Yes, we know that is common difference. Then what is the first term? A is equals to 105, that is a1. So we know first term, we know common difference, and we know that is the nth term, last term n, an will be equal to 994. Now we can find n terms or not. Yes, we can find. So an will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is nth term? 994. A term is 105 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 7. So this is the expression. So now let's going to find. So what is that? N minus 1 into 7 will be equal to 994 minus 105. So 105. So what is the common difference here? 14 minus 5, that is 9. Then here 8 will be, so 8. Again here 9 will 889. So n minus 1 will be equal to 889 by 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are 18. 7 twos are 14. Again 49. 7 nines are. So n minus 1 will be equal to 127. Then n will be equal to 127 plus 1. So therefore what you can say, 128. So how many number of terms are there? 128 terms are there, 3-digit number which are divisible by 7. So this is the way to find the calculation. So 128 terms are there. Then what is our second one? So 12th one, how many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? So what is the 4? So 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on. 250, right? 248, 249, 250. So what are the 4 multiples in that given series AP? So 4 multiples, it will start with the 12. Yes, 4 threes are 12. So 12, again 12 plus 4, that is will be 16. Then and so on, we will get it as 250 is divisible by 4 or not. 4 6 are. Yes, it is not divisible by 4 6 are 24. 24 10 will not be divisible. 249 is also not divisible, and 248 maybe it will be divisible. 6 are 4 are. So 6 are 2 are. So 62 are. So 248. Last term is 248. So 12, 16, again 20, dot dot dot, and 248. So this is the difference. So A1 will be equal to how many 4 multiples? Number of terms. So A we know that is 12, and common difference 16 minus 12 will be equal to 4. What is the given question? That is a 4. Then what is the nth term? An will be equal to 248. So this is the nth term. Now we have to find how many terms are there, n terms. So here we need to find n terms. So n terms are an will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term is 248. That is a will be equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into d is a 4. Now shift this 12 to the left side. That is 248 minus 12 will be equal to n minus 1 into 4. Then what is the 248? So 8 minus 2 will be 6, 3 and 2. 236, that is n minus 1 into 4. So n minus 1 will be equal to 236 by 4. 4 ones are, then 4 threes are 12. 4 fives are 20. So 4 fives are 20. Again 36. 4 nines are. So n minus 1 will be equal to 59. Then n will be equal to 59 plus 1, that is 60. So n terms, n will be equal to 60. So how many 4 multiples are there here? 4 multiples of between arithmetic progression 10 and 250. There are 60 multiples are there. So this is the way to find the calculation. If you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.